Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox this iNGCO hot air gun, which I plan to use for my future DIY projects. This tool is quite affordable, costing me around 6,000 rupees, which is approximately $25. Let's see what's inside this box. This heat gun is available in two models, supporting both 220 and 110 ranges. For 220, the input power is 2000 watt, and for 110, it's 1600 watt. The box also includes 4 different accessories: flat nozzle, reflector nozzle, reduction nozzle, and scraper. Build quality is decent for the price. It's really lightweight and easy to handle. Plus, the handle has really good grip. Since I don't have a temperature gauge, I wanted to see how quickly it heats up. So I pointed the gun at some tissue paper and it burned really fast. Hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.